mostly asked interview question in many of the data analyst interviews. So how to find the second highest salary? First you have to know, you should have some idea that how to find maximum salary. So this is how you find the maximum salary. Select maximum. I have took the aggregation function and a column name to specify of what thing I want the maximum. Then maximum salary from kahan se? Employees table se. So let me just run this. So yeah, my maximum salary is 80,000. Let's go to find the second highest salary. How do you do? From here to here it is outer query, and inside this brackets it's the inner query. So जब भी ऐसा कुछ conditions आते हैं जहाँ पे आपको second highest salary, second highest marks ऐसे कुछ use करना है, then we use this query thing, outer query, inner query, sub queries thing use करते हैं. So firstly हमें क्या करना है, inner query execute होता है हमेशा SQL में, then उसके बाद में outer query execute होता है. So firstly inner query में क्या होता है पहले वो जानते हैं. Firstly यहाँ क्या होता है, select maximum salary from employees. अब ये same thing जो मैंने यहाँ पे किया, तो ये क्या करेगा, ये maximum salary लेगा employees tables में and ये 80,000 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. अब outer query execute होगा, ये क्या करेगा, जहाँ पे salary, यहाँ पे मैंने एक condition लगाया, जहाँ पे salary less than 80,000 है वो मुझे output पे display चाहिए. So ये क्या करेगा, select maximum salary from employees, जहाँ पे salary 80,000 से कम है वो मुझे output पे दे दे. Now वो जो 80,000 से कम है ना, that will be displayed as a maximum salary now. So let me just run this. Look at this. 50,000 is my second highest salary. So I think you got this, how to do. Just go through this. This is a very important question.